2015 F150. I'm sure this applies to other years also, but if you're hearing a weird grinding noise up front, it's more than likely your four-wheel drive trying to engage because of this check valve right here going bad. So what I did was I ordered a whole assembly OEM that came with the tube as well. You can just replace the check valve if you want. I paid about $30 for this on eBay. That's the part number right there, Ford. All you're gonna do is pop off that hose down here. Might be kind of tricky to get it out. Pull that off. You're gonna pull the check valve off on this end right here. And then you've got another hose right here. And basically just throw the new one in. When that check valve starts to go bad right there, it'll lose vacuum and it'll try to engage the four-wheel drive while you're in motion. So that's the noise that you hear. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody out.